In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an email campaign on Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel and find the option labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click that. In the Campaign section, look to the top right corner and click the Create button. The page will reload and you'll now see different types of campaigns you can build. On the left side, you'll see options like email, automations, and landing page. For this tutorial, we're focusing on a standard email, so click Email. When you do that, it will expand and give you a few choices: regular, plain text, and template. Choose regular email. On the right side, give your email an internal name. This is just for your own reference, so pick something that helps you recognize the campaign later. Then click Begin and wait for the page to load. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to choose how you want to start your design. You can start from saved templates, fully designed layouts, basic layouts, start from scratch, use your own HTML, or reuse a recent template. For this walkthrough, select Basic Layout. The page will reload and show you a collection of simple layout templates. Browse through them, and once you find one that fits your needs, hover over it and click Apply. The editor will open with that layout loaded. Inside the editor, you'll see your email template on the right and a panel of tools on the left. The left panel shows different blocks you can drag and drop, like text, images, buttons, and columns. You'll also see options for columns, pre-built sections, and text elements. Simply drag any of these blocks onto your template to build out your email. On the left toolbar, there's also a Styles section. Click that to adjust the overall design of your email. Here you can customize the background color, default text styles, link appearance, buttons, dividers, images, and your logo. Click each section to expand it and explore the styling options. To edit anything already in the template, just click directly on that block in the email preview. Its specific settings will appear on the left, usually with tabs like Content, Styles, Visibility, or Code. Click through these tabs to adjust text, images, spacing, colors, and more. When a block is selected in the preview, you'll also see small icons that let you move, duplicate, or delete that block, which makes rearranging your layout very easy. Take your time here to add your copy, swap in your images, and make sure everything looks on brand and clear for your audience. When you're happy with the design, go to the top right corner and click Save and Exit. Wait for the page to reload. You'll now see a summary page for your email campaign. This overview shows key details like who you're sending to, who it's from, the subject line, the send time, and the content. If anything is missing or needs adjustment, just click on that section to open it and fill in the details. For example, choose your audience list under To, confirm your from name and email, write a compelling subject line and preview text, and double check the content. Once everything looks correct and there are no warnings, go to the top right and click Send. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to send. Click Send Now. The page will reload and you'll see a confirmation message letting you know that your email is sending, along with additional details about the campaign. And that's it. You've just created and sent an email campaign in Mailchimp from start to finish.